Hello students, myself Shrikant Sen from George Group of Colleges. Again I am saying that try to understand the last two videos, then open this video, otherwise you cannot understand today's lecture. So all these videos come into three sequence 1, sequence 2 and sequence 3. Try to understand sequence 1 first, then sequence 2 and then sequence 3. So next is what are the operations on generating function. Basically there are four operations: scaling, addition, right shift and differentiation. In fact I have shown you all these operations today, like scaling and addition and right shift. All these are shown into one problem, like this one: shifting, scaling means multiply, then it was shifting. So we are going to learn this: scaling, addition, right shift and differentiation. We start with this problem. Suppose the function is 2 2 2 2 2. What is the function that generates 2 2 2 2? Now the question is, we know the function that generates the sequence 1 1 1 1 and 1. So what is that? The function is 1 by 1 minus x. Correct? Now in place of 1 it is now 2. So 2 2 2 2. What will happen? If I multiply something in the left side, if I multiply this left side with 2, I will multiply the right side also 2 with 2. So what is the answer? Answer will be 2 by 1 minus x. This generates this function. This function generates this sequence. Now if you look at this one, 3 9 27 81, this one. So this is a GP series. So 1 3 9 27, see, multiplied by 3. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. So how it is working, I am showing you. This is a clear representation of the problem. Of this one. So imagine this is 3. Imagine a is equal to 3. So 3 square will be 9. 3 cube will be 27. So this is the problem: 1 by 1 minus ax. So this problem is represented as 3 by 1 minus 3x. Now why this is multiplied by 3? To understand this problem, we will find that it is 3x to the power 0 plus 3 dot 3 to the power 1, then it will become 9. Next is 3 dot 3x whole square, then it will become 27, and this continues. So this is square, this is cube, and the function is 3 by 1 minus 3x. Best part is you write this in your copy and try to relate this with 1 by 1 minus ax, or try to write this 1 by 1 minus x, and another one 3 by 1 minus 3x. So you first look at this one. This is your first. Now this will be your second one, and this will be your third one, and you will get this sequence. Okay, next come to addition. So 2, 4, 10, 28, 32. How to represent this problem? See, the first one is 2. I can write 2 as, you can write 2 as 1 plus 1. Correct. Now there is 4x. 4x can be written as 1 plus 3x. Now next one is 10x square. It can be written as 1 plus 9x square. The last one is say 28. It is 1 plus 27. Now how can I write this? See, I have an experience. I can identify the problem, what may be the solution. So this is possible for me, but with some little practice you can easily identify which pattern it is following. Best is you try to break it such a way that you find at least one sequence that is known to you. What is the sequence that is known to you? 1 plus x square plus x cube. This sequence is known to you. So what is left? That will come to this part. Now from the last slide, you got an idea what is the meaning of this. Meaning of this is this one, and in the left side this one. So there is a addition symbol, so you get a addition, and this is your answer. Clear? Next one is right shift. It starts with 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now write 0x to the power 0, 0x to the power 1, 0x to the power 2, plus 1x to the power 3, 1x to the power 4. So what I am doing here? 0, 0, 0. Now this one is 1, and this continues. So if I ignore all these zeros, you can start from this part. So I have written here. Now this sequence is unknown to us because till now we don't know what is that function that start with x cube. But we can take a common from this 1x cube. If we take 1x cube common, so what is left? 1 plus x square plus 1x cube. Now this is known to us. We know that this is 1 by x. So the answer is x cube by 1 minus x. Understand? So I have taken common. I have taken this common. Correct? So this is all about right shift. Why I am saying this as right shift? Because see, these three values are eliminated and I moved in the right section. Next one is differentiation. Obviously I told you differentiation in my first section where I am showing you. I explained differentiation here. Correct? I explained differentiation here. I also explained differentiation here. So this is all about differentiation. I already explained this to you. Next one is 1x square plus 1x cube is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. I proved this also. Next this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. I already proved this where I proved this into this part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 1 by 1 minus 6 whole square. So this is known to us. Now again, if we change this plus 1 plus x to minus x, I explain this to you. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, where I am showing you. One minus 1, 1 minus 1. And when I am writing 1 by 1 minus a x is also written as 1 by 1 minus 3x. Where I taught you 1 by 1 minus x, I am showing you. One by 1 minus ax, correct? So all these things are proved. Next one is, in place of x, if I write x square, so it will be 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6. Now what is missing here? Something is missing. 1 x to the power 0 is correct, but where is x to the power 1? X to the power 1 is missing. So I can write 0 into x to the power 1. X to the power 2 is there, that's very good. But where is x to the power 3? So x to the power 3 is also missing. So as x to the power 3 is missing, I can write 0 into x to the power 3. Now x to the power 4, this is present. But where is x to the power 5? X to the power 5 is also missing. So I can write 0 into x to the power 5. So what is the sequence? Sequence is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now this 0 means x to the power 1. Okay. This 0 means x to the power 3. Okay. This 0 means x to the power 5. So the sequence is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now what kind of questions will come? The question is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This sequence is given. Now question is, find the function that generates the sequence. More you will practice, more you can write the answer. Or this will be given, that 1 by 1 minus x square will be given. The question will be, find the sequence this function generates. I will send you one page of solution where you will get an idea how to write this in the examination. Okay. This is known to you. Today I prove this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And nothing but multiplied by 2. We solve this kind of problem where, so it is cube. This is the important, interesting thing. This is cube. That means you have to do the second derivative. Second derivative. So if you derivate this again, differentiate this again, so you will find this one, 1 by 1 minus x cube, and the left side will become something like this. Clear? So this is the second derivative of 1 by 1 minus x square. So this is not required. There is a less chance that this kind of question will come. So one more question, find the generating function for 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now how to solve it? Just write a is equal to 1, 3x, 5x square, 7x cube plus 9x to the power 4, and then write ax is equal to this. Correct? And see what I am doing. I am multiplying this by x and subtracting. So what I am getting? 1, this is 3x minus x will be 2x, 5x square minus 3x square will be 2x square, and this is known to us. So we can write 2x plus 2x square plus 2x cube plus 2x to the power 4 is equal to 2x by 1 minus x. This is known to us. Now this, the green color and the green color is equal to this blue color and this blue color, and this red color is equal to this. This is known to us. So what we know? We can write a is equal to 1 by 1 minus x plus 2x by 1 minus x whole square. And if you solve these two, you get this answer. Understand? So this is another technique. Another problem is solved here. Just look at this problem, how I solved it. The best thing is if you can write this in your copy. If you just look at these slides and try to understand, you cannot understand. Write it. If you write this in your copy, you will get a flavor how to solve it. And here comes some exercise that you need to solve. Another exercise. Thank you. Hopefully you will read this today, and for any doubt I am waiting till 10 p.m. today for your doubts to be solved. Correct? Because of rain, I cannot take the class properly today. The internet is not stable today here. But I hope you understand it, and I am waiting for your query. Thank you.